am located, I say South Central PA, but my cities that I invest in are Lebanon, Lancaster, and Dauphin, like outside of Harrisburg. Before I met Whitney, I was a real estate agent. I'm licensed since 2014. I was on a Facebook group. It was a real estate investors group just for women, and somebody mentioned Whitney's name on there. I signed on with Whitney's mastermind 6 months ago in late September of 2018. I've had at least one deal a month. And I also want to stress that in the wintertime, after the holidays, it can get a little like slower for the most normal people. And I still have that average. So I'm working on a flip. I've sold numerous properties through the marketing that I've been following. I've had numerous listing properties that I've been able to do, and a lease option that is going to settlement this week. And I would have never known about how to do any of that without signing on to her course. I really think because I'm licensed, if you're an agent and you're really tired of the unpredictability, the lack of knowledge of when your next paycheck is coming, this course is for you.